read 75,796 minutes.
I'm super excited to hear about all the reading that you've done. It's amazing, the amount of minutes that you've put in. And your costumes are awesome. I am super excited to be here on behalf of the commissioner to congratulate you all on the work that you have done for your Whittier History Day.
I am here to share some exciting news we've been keeping a secret. And before I leave here today, you will know the secret too. It is my honor to announce the newest recipient of the Milken Educator Award, Hillary Hoyt! Jamie Karaffa!
I love connecting with children. I love meeting them at their level. I love knowing I impact a life.
I wanted to be a teacher because I had some wonderful teachers growing up that showed me what it was like to have somebody that was there for you every day. I am Waldo County born and raised, so I work in the town next to where I grew up. And I had teachers that showed me that I belonged and I mattered, and I really wanted to make sure that all of my students felt that same way. I'm a Milken educator.
I'm a Milken educator.